In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is OCR in Joplin. OCR, or optical character recognition, is the technology that turns pictures of text into real editable characters. In Joplin, that means you can take an image or a scanned PDF, pull out the words it contains, and treat them like any other text in your notes. It also lets you copy text that appears inside pictures you've already added to a note, so you don't have to retype anything. Here's how it works in practice. Add your image or scanned PDF to a note the way you normally would. When you're ready to extract the words, you don't need to open the PDF separately. Instead, right-click the file or the image preview and choose View OCR Text. Joplin will display the recognized text for you. From there, simply select what you need, copy it, and paste it right into the body of your note. It's quick, it's direct, and it keeps you focused on your notebook instead of bouncing between apps. A few simple habits will make this even smoother. Keep the original image or PDF in the note as a reference, and place the extracted text directly below it so context is always clear. If the recognition isn't perfect, lightly proofread or correct any obvious errors after you paste. Things like unusual fonts or low-resolution scans can affect accuracy. For the highest precision, especially with complex layouts or faint scans, consider using an external OCR tool to produce the text, then store both the source and the extracted content together in Joplin. Finally, use tags to organize what you scan and extract so you can group similar items and find them later without scrolling. To see the value end to end, imagine a quick workflow. You scan a stack of documents, add them to Joplin, and use OCR to extract the key passages. You paste the text into the same notes underneath each image and add a few tags to describe the topic, the date, or the project. Now, when you search in Joplin, those notes become fully searchable because the words are real text, not just pixels in a picture. That's the core of OCR in Joplin, converting images and scanned PDFs into editable, searchable text you can copy and reuse instantly, right where you're already working. By the end, you'll move faster when reviewing scans, quoting from PDFs, or gathering research, all without leaving your notebook.